just having some In-N-Out, guys. And this lady keeps feeding these birds her freaking In-N-Out. They're like, yeah, the pigeons. You never do that, people. They're just surrounding her car.
And now they're going back to this other car now.
Oh my gosh.
Look at them. I'd be freaked out. There's some 55 pigeons coming at you.
Guys, we are at the Wyndham Desert Blue again, but this time it's a little different because we're here with our friends Andy and Simone from A Good Times Productions. We are going to be sharing this 3-bedroom presidential suite with them. G's excited. So it's a really nice, awesome suite.
It's a
Sweet. This is one of the main bedrooms. It's kind of the master bedroom because it has a tub in it. So I guess we'll have to draw straws for this room. We have a somewhat okay view from this room. It's at the kind of south end of the strip. So we're just off across from Rio on Twain. We're gonna have a little party here with a few of our friends next week, so we're excited. Lots of room to hang out and relax in. PJ is gonna be our bartender that night, making shots and drinks, PJ's cocktails. This is the second room. It's a little smaller. Has its own TV and its own bathroom though. And then there's a third room and bathroom. This one has 2 beds in it, so we could technically fit 4 more people in here. And the other bathroom. So yeah, we're excited. It is going to be a fun 8 days. G just went to go get Andy and Simone to bring them back up to the room. They just arrived. So excited to see them. Oh, I think I can hear them coming off the elevator.
Alright guys, well, the intro. Alright, you guys ready for the here we go, the October suite. The October suite.
Welcome!
And we've even got our own breeder here, so let's walkers. Say hello walkers. And the pineapple express bag, very, very nice. Yeah, nice. We were just mentioning the pineapples downstairs while we were waiting for G. We were talking about it, yeah.
I'm going to take this mask off here.
Gord's got to explain here.
Before we get started, Andy and Simone, will you guys be a part of the pineapple club?
Oh, absolutely.
You gotta kick the key party.
That's right. It's the key to the room and the key to their hearts. Well,
You're now official part of the pineapple club.
The Pineapple Club gang.
Hey guys, we are here in the car with Simone Pickles,
That's right.
Andy from A Good Times Production.
That's right.
Like, follow, subscribe, do all those things. They're on they're on Instagram and Facebook.
And look at it's finally complete.
Home of the Raiders. It is definitely beautiful, especially with the sun reflecting off it. The Death Star.
Yeah, it totally looks like it.
Got the lights on inside.
Those damn window pillars.
And a really cool video screen here on the front.
Oh yeah.
Where I'm not sure if they showed the games or not, but it'd be pretty awesome if they did.
They probably won't because otherwise people.
It's going to be a real fun place, especially when the
They
Raiders
open
actually
up the windows
open it up
a
to
bit
the fans.
too, or yeah, like a kind of a little bit in the front there. They had it open the one day we drove by.
The massive tailgating parking lot that you can never get into.
$400.
Wow, it's crazy.
Just with Andy and Simone with the big cock on the side of the road here. Horse crossings. Got all sorts of stuff. Pumpkin patch. There's roosters, more cocks in there. And we're just on the side of the road in Las Vegas. Never know what you're gonna see. Hummus with Andy and Simone, Good Times Productions. their meals. This one's mine. It's got halloumi, and Gord has grilled chicken. So good. It's kind of like Chipotle, where you pick all your toppings and stuff, and you can make them either bowls or wraps. So we're gonna eat a little bit healthy tonight, and then we're going to Costco and having some good stuff there. Simone's never been to Costco, so we're gonna go check it out after. Looks so good, hey? Oh yeah, and they got the market hummus, and we got the regular hummus. 2, 3. We're going to Pink Box.
Either way, it's open like 24 hours. Once you get one of Mary's favorite places, Jessie here tonight.
Hi. Thanks. Look at this. What's the poop emoji? It's cute. Oh, you can just smell them. Exciting night out with the Good Times Productions.
Costco!
She's absolutely vibrating.
Who cares about the Bellagio fountains when you have this?
Yeah.
It's Simone's first time here, guys.
Some more virginity lost.
Losing her virginity.
Yeah, Vegas virginity lost.
We've taken Andy and Simone's Costco virginity.
We have some crazy times, guys. Crazy times. I think you're gonna want a card each.
Yeah, get a card. Yeah, you're gonna have to carry a case of bang around. You're gonna put that in the cart.
Yeah, Andy's gonna get a case of bang here, maybe. It's time. They already got the Christmas stuff up. Christmas trees. Stocking up on Malibu here, guys. It's only 15 bucks for these huge ones. 1.75 liters. Crazy. And we're also gonna get a vodka. It's 13 bucks. We got margaritas too. Cool. And Andy's bang.
And it's discounted, $7 off.
And there's lots of it. A limited 10 though only.
$1.08 per can.
Wow.
You can't beat that.
I'm not sure if he stocked up, but
We want that rainbow unicorn.
what did you find at Costco here?
We've got
Well, you got the essentials. We got
Fire.
alcohol, we got bang.
and coffee.
So we got some coffee.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
We
Malibu.
don't have to do any strawberries.
Oh, yeah,
It's so cheap,
Do you
eh?
think we should get more, Andy? He's like, I think two's okay.
And all that bang.
That's all.
Yeah, no black cherry vanilla though for keto kids. We're gonna have to settle for something else.
I like the pina colada.
That'd be
Hard to
good.
find that though.
We're off to Walmart to get some more mix and supplies.
Ah, dang it.
He always forgets. Thanks for the reminder. You're all stocked up for the party, or at least with
Our portion.
vodka
Our contribution.
and Malibu. Me and Gord and Andy and Simone's contribution to the party. The Canadian Malibu and some Costco vodka. And we got a bunch of water. And we've got some pineapple juice and orange juice. And and bang.
Right. Important stuff.
And some chips. So yeah, we're all set. The donuts Andy and Simone got that I'm peeking at. And these are the ones I got. It's a peanut butter and jelly one and an eyeball croissant one. So good, you'll lick the bag. Pink Box donuts. You guys like them? What did?
I know, I think you dropped some chocolate too.
What kind did you guys try so far?
I tried the mint one, which is great.
Oh yeah.
Toasted coconut,
Cool.
caramel.
Yes. Anything
If
with.
I'm trying all these, I'm going to basically have a whole donut. You know?
Probably.
It's all good.
Okay, guys. It's really early in the morning right now. Tamara and Gord are still asleep. But I had to show you something because I'm a little bit nervous. I've been spending 3 days with them now. And I think there's some kind of secret undercover thing going on. Maybe some CIA, some Secret Service, some KGB, or, the worst of all, some Canadian Mountie stuff. We got all kinds of hidden cameras in this place. Suitcases, luggage. It's like they're planning on staying forever. A whole room just for this stuff. Something's going on, guys. And that's not the worst part. We gotta show you out here. We're gonna whisper. We don't want to wake them up. They could kill us. Look at this, guys. Look at all these cameras. They're spies. I don't even think T and G are their real names. Like, how do you even say Tamara? Is it Tamara? Or is it T-Mara? Or is it Tamara? I don't even know what her name is. And Gord. Nobody knows what that means. That's like a pumpkin. And G's just a letter. I don't know what's going on, guys. Somebody help us. Oh my God, they're awake. We're running, save us.
We just got this cute little gift bag from Andy and Simone from A Good Times Productions. So this bag's so cute. Gord said he wants to wear it as a mask somehow. So let's see what we got. Oh, this is yeah. So here, Gord, you show how it is. This is the shoe mask.
It's not very comfortable.
It's hilarious.
We're just here, guys.
Oh my gosh, that is so funny.
Gord's got his mask on the wrong way already, so these masks are from the New Balance.
Oh, it's around
That's
the
literally the insole of the shoe with shoelaces.
around the back of your head. Is it?
In your hand, the cone.
Yep.
Like
So
that.
as soon as Gordon
And then
figure
pull
it out,
the
yeah.
cords up towards you and put them both over your head. One
Oh,
down
so
below
like
your
this?
neck. Yeah,
Yeah,
one
like a
down
slingshot.
below your
Yeah,
neck.
kind of. Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
Should've put
interesting.
instructions in there, I guess.
It's not very comfortable.
Oh, it's great. You're gonna love it.
I'm
You're gonna-
like, oh my god,
Like
this is
this.
hard.
I don't know.
Enjoy the smell of the insole of the shoe too. You're gonna love that. You're gonna love that. Yeah. Yeah. You almost got it.
We're off to a good start here.
On the bottom, yeah. So it's,
You almost look like Hannibal Lecter.
You gotta unfold the bottom of it so it covers the mouth and the nose.
I'm not sure if I.
This is like Mask 101.
Oh my gosh.
There we go. Hey, you got it. You got it.
There.
Mask 101.
Nice.
Star Wars is
Yeah,
there,
it's like something. Yeah.
Nice, very
I'm
fashionable.
not gonna lie, this really stinks.
It does, doesn't it? Yep. So Gord has the insole of a shoe on his face right now. Main New
hilarious.
Balance sneaker company.
And did you wear these?
I didn't wear them for very long. Nope.
All right. Well, I'll take your word for that one.
Tamara's got her one too, but she doesn't seem to want to try that on. Yeah, no, it's very fashionable. Very fashionable.
We got a candle too that is smoked birch. Just a sec, my camera doesn't want to focus. Smoked birch, because these guys
Yep.
love to go explore in there.
Chew it out now because we got the fun part done. The mask try on. Lord, so.
There is a wire in it.
Oh,
so
that's
I thought
cute.
it would be good around the nose, but it's
Oh,
not.
did you guys get Cinnamon one of these? Because she thinks
We did.
everybody has a pet moose in Canada. Yeah. That's awesome. I know, that's what I said. I feel like you look
I will
like
say the
a...
smell did go away after like an hour, but it took a little while.
Oh, and we got a little shot glass. Should be
Actually,
helping
that
me.
wouldn't be that bad to have it, like, it looks kind of weird here, but like a little collar thing that you can just whip it up pretty quickly, guys.
Yeah, it does come down easy. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
One of the
Rennie's Main
Rennie's
Adventures.
is a convenience store in Maine. It has like 10 locations.
Oh,
so you can literally
okay.
find
Everything.
you want.
Sounds
Most
like
of
my
these things
parents'
actually came
store.
from Rennie's. The bag did.
That's cool.
The shot glass.
Awesome.
The maple syrup right here came from Rennie's. Yeah.
Awesome.
Little's went to Rennie's and we got pretty much everything for the gift bag.
Cool. We love maple syrup from Canada. It's cool.
Yeah, it's a little hard to breathe in.
Produced locally in Maine.
It's not going to be the most comfortable.
Yeah.
And we got some tea, which Gord will
Blueberry tea
love.
for Gordon, yeah.
Yeah.
So is New Balance?
And oh, this is where Andy works.
Yeah, they have a factory.
Pizza
The
magnet. That's cute. Awesome. Thank you guys. So cute.
And you got the whoopie pie in the freezer. So there's a whoopie pie in there too.
Okay,
The whoopie
cool.
pie's in the freezer. You guys actually have two. because there was eight
We got them a little bit of Canadian treats here.
For this one. Hold on. All right, guys, it's our turn to open the gift bag now from T&J.
Old Dutch is the Canadian
We get,
brand of chips.
Yep, dill
Yeah.
pickle and ketchup chips.
And those
so
are popular chips in
all the
Canada.
mixes
Yeah.
We're gonna put them on top of the
Yeah.
crunch burger.
All kinds of goodies. Chocolate goodies.
And then lots of Canadian chocolates.
Oh, lots of chocolates. That's it.
Yeah, just what you need.
Oh, and the coffee crisp.
Yeah, Coffee Crisp is the main one. But
And not
Oh.
Andy, but
Oh, Henry.
Yes, yes. You say oh Andy enough.
there you go. Oh, what is here? What's that?
that's Coffee Crisp hot chocolates. Yeah, it's really good actually. So
That'd be good.
yeah. Anyways, yeah.
Yeah, and more business cards. There we go. The updated ones.
Awesome.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
You bet. Thank you guys. Kino's in the house.
We're here.
Hey.
We arrived.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, Andy's hiding already. Come on, Andy.
Coming out of the closet.
Again?
Again.
I thought that was right after
I
high
gotta
school.
remind you every couple of months. How you doing?
Oh, my problem is they're doing this here.
I didn't even blow it. Back out. Come back in.
Back up, we were like a shit. That's like we don't know when
That's
we
why he
come
said,
back.
he said, okay, I gotta take
Oh,
this.
they got the
Sorry.
pineapple mask on. That's awesome.
Okay, there's a problem with this, guys.
Uh-oh.
It was a 10-pack.
And it had
The
pineapples?
the two top were
Oh!
pineapples.
The rest of my
The rest of them were different stuff. So you get a pack.
So
You get two of them.
You get
That's
camouflage.
hilarious.
Camouflage.
Oh, damn it! I wanted all of it.
Hey, cool. Okay, speaking
All right, guys, here we are.
Alright,
And this is the great entrance
God
from
damn it.
Kid and Kino Candy, but we have more guests here in the suite, so
we have a triple.
It's the triple pineapple club.
Well, since we're here, I brought you guys gifts. I brought you guys gifts.
Aw, thanks. Yeah, we all have gifts for each other.
Look
Yeah.
at the awesome 6-foot physical distance.
Yeah, we all are.
Okay, you want to know who's actually here? We got here.
So we're just gonna go, we'll just toss this to you from here.
Okay. Here are the masks. We got the beans, we got-
Awesome. Thank
That's it?
you.
Yeah,
That's
pineapple mask.
sweet.
You know what? The other ones are cute too. So.
That's awesome. Thank
Here is-
you.
Hold on.
We love the pineapples.
Those are the Rocktober stuff.
No, but where's the little handheld?
It's in there.
Is it in there? Okay. All right. Let's
Okay.
put this thing down.
Yeah.
All right, Andy's
Yep.
going first thing, guys.
Okay.
Okay. No, never mind. So we brought, because this is the suite, so. Here
Aw.
you go, guys. Yeah!
Fresh pineapple.
This is the orange key, right? This is what I had to get in?
Yes.
Okay.
This is
This is for
the
you guys.
exclusive
Here, I bow-
entrance fee.
I bow at the feet of the master.
Alright.
Oh, jeez. The banking.
Nice.
And here,
Best one.
here, I'll get it
Oh,
here.
actually, that's the best one.
There you go, right here.
The second best one, yes.
The black cherry for you, sir.
Yes.
Why you
For you,
want
sir.
Yes, there we go, guys.
That's
Double
awesome.
banging today.
Double baggers.
You got banged on.
There's bang. Look at
Bang my keto.
Right away.
look at we got a whole fridge full of bang.
Yeah, we
We're
got
gonna add it to the stockpile.
You can never have enough.
No, you
bang.
can't.
Never
And
enough bang.
The last thing, when we stayed at Mandalay Bay, they left this in our room, so we thought we'd give it to you guys. So we
Okay.
stole it, just for you guys.
Okay.
It's a dirty song. I ain't touching it.
Oh, it was Pachanga, you're right.
Pachanga.
The pineapple hands out.
Nice.
We're gonna put this one right here.
That's hilarious.
There you go. So you guys can,
Oh my
you guys can use that to
It
clean up
looks
after.
like a pineapple.
That is awesome.
That's right. I figured you guys would have bangs.
I had a feeling there was pineapples coming up here.
This one's for you and Candy.
I know right where this should go.
There you go.
You know where this should go? Yeah, right in the middle.
Oh, see, this guy returned the favor. That's what I'm talking about.
I say I returned. That one's cold though. I'm not sure where these are. These are really
That's
hot.
awesome.
We were having
I'm not sure where these came from. But
those came. The Starbucks?
no, that's a whoopie pie. That capsules again. Yeah. I couldn't bring pizza, so I brought a whoopie pie from capsules instead.
I think the southern
Hell yeah.
people call them moon
Yeah.
pies.
Yeah,
Moon pies, if
moon
you're from
pies,
the South,
whoopie pies. I've heard both.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so don't eat it yet.
Because we're going for barbecue.
That's true. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
Oh,
There's two whoopie pies. Yeah. You don't have to share.
Okay.
I think you can actually see it better on the other windows, right?
Oh, okay.
No whoopee.
We got one more bag for you there. Give them that clear one.
I love all dressed.
Yeah, and those are crispers. They're like a chip kind of cracker. They're Canadian only. Yeah, yeah. You can
So
only.
my son's like, oh, you can get ketchup chips on Amazon.
For like
I go,
14
geez.
cents.
Exactly.
You can get a bag of Lay's for $3.
Yeah, I know.
You just kind of wait.
Lots of chocolates this time. You can share them with the boys, and those are Canadian A Smarties. Do you see? Guys, we're over by the stadium, Mandalay Bay on Valley View Road, and we're going to Jessie Ray's barbecue for the very first time. Hog and Chusen have been here before, and Andy and Simone. It's supposed to be awesome. Oh, it's busy. Oh yeah, it's
Oh my
tiny.
God, it smells good in here.
Oh yeah. We need smell-o-vision.
I'm gonna do the 3 meat one side. Spare rib, brisket, and
Best of Las Vegas. Loaded fries or
brisket looks
something.
like a good choice.
The brisket, I think, was an
Crap.
excellent choice.
It's got mac and cheese,
It's got
freaking pulled pork,
It's got the hot links on it. It's got
Hot
the
links.
sausage links.
and then is this the smaller version or is it a
This is
different
actually
one?
the Duke. Comes with just the pulled pork.
Okay,
We added
cool.
mac and cheese.
Nice. Sweet.
The big ass.
And ours is coming soon.
Is this your first time here?
Yes.
Finally got his rack of ribs. He's so patiently waiting, lighting guy. And we got our favorite waffle fries, some mac and cheese, some beans, and pulled pork.
Yeah, get it.
Looks good.
Get it.
And everybody else is enjoying their covered fries that are kind of like barbecue style poutine. Yeah.
A little bit of Canada.
Yeah,
all
he knows
in.
he's my
Big
he's
rack
like-
in his mouth.
Roger's straight husband.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
He started
Yum.
Here's the one with the boob t-shirt.
I don't want the two fat boobs. I looked at it like, oh, I can't get that in time. There's no way. I can't get it in time.
How's the sauce? Is it
T-shirts.
it's like kind of sweet and
Yeah, I was
spicy?
thinking, I was
Do you
like,
want extra sauce?
oh,
No, it's good. They gave me a side for some reason.
Oh, she's supposed to bring us some.
The sauce is really good.
Cool. Looks good. Even for this 80% vegetarian, it looks good.
80%, huh?
Yeah, we did.
Someone's got her head
We
laughed.
did get the cards today, you're right. So we got the postcards. We need to go find stamps in a mailbox somewhere. The mailbox.
Simone's gonna pull out the rubber gloves right
Yeah, there's a mailbox. You bring
These guys have been downtown for like 8 hours.
Question mark at Blue Ribbon at
Had a
Ball's,
few,
because we love
few
the
mi-
chicken
too
fingers
many
and french
drinks,
fries over there.
maybe.
So yeah, we didn't really have anything planned. We have pretty much nothing planned.
Andy's itinerary.
Yeah, he's
My
reading
itinerary
his
for tomorrow is
itinerary
quite-
out of his big
quite
binder
boring,
there.
actually.
It's tomorrow. Oh no, it's today.
Yeah,
Today is
my
tomorrow.
itinerary for tomorrow was really not that exciting.
Today-
We're a day away from Rocktober. Well,
Yeah.
2 sleeps, but a full day away.
I feel like Andy's treating Las Vegas like college here. He's got his His hour by hour schedule.
Yeah, exactly. I've got my midterms scheduled on here.
I didn't see any.
He's got lucky dogs written down here.
I didn't see any.
You say that, but I used to actually play it out by the hour. When we first came, the first like 6 years, I had it written down by the hour.
I got it as soon as I saw.
What did you say again, Simone? There, the Oreo cookie or
I was the cream in the middle of the Kino Oreo cookie.
That's
They were
hilarious.
both winning.
They were both winning. They sucked the winnings out of Simone.
I just walked away. I'm like, I can't do this.
I won so good this morning.
I
and then
know.
nothing.
Yeah, she won
We got
200,
we got
right? Yeah.
And then
And again, as
That sucks.
usual, Candy wins more when Kino goes to the bathroom.
No, we got way over confident.
Kino Kid goes to the bathroom.
I was like, I got this.
Yeah,
I'm
I mean, we
winning.
could beat Lucky Dogs tomorrow.
I
I
don't
don't know. We
know.
could do that.
Carmel wouldn't bring any winning to me tonight.
Yeah.
Schumann.
We're going to the Star Wars movie on the weekend, and what did you say, Gord, again?
I said that's when PJ's gonna say, "Gord, I am your father," and I'm gonna go, "No."
No, PJ, sorry. You can't be my stepdad or Gord's. Another mother.
You never know. Sherry might flip. You
Oh,
just never know.
Jesus.
You just
Don't
never
say
give
that.
up, PJ.
Still got
Never
a
give up.
still got a chance, PJ. Still got a chance.
It's a small chance, but never give up.
There's a chance.
Single day.
1% is 1%.
Hey,
Better than 0%,
DJ.
yeah.
DJ, something special's coming.
Mike, careful. Mike, just open the door. Say hello. Hello. Take care of itself.
Mike is really glad he found us.
Mike is very comfortable.
Not sitting on another man's lap. That is not happening. Which means it's kind of a normal Saturday night for you. Jesus. Mark, you can sit on the lap. It's okay, I promise.
This is a normal night for us.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Pineapple Express.
Pineapple Express, I know.
This is great social distancing. 5, 6, 7 people.
Thanks for watching another one of our YouTube videos.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to put the notifications bell on for future videos.
Please follow us on Instagram at Vegas Best Ideas.
We post daily pictures and videos about the best places to eat in Vegas, things to do, and places to stay.
Take care, guys. See you soon.